So if you're like me and don't have a proper workshop, sometimes you got to bodge it. I'll show you a little tip. All you need is a grinder and some clamps and something to clamp it to. You've just got to make sure your surface is pretty stable that you're clamping to and it's like non-slip. And yeah, she's good. Just watch for vibrations and all that. Yeah, that's a whole lot better, isn't it? Definitely usable. So I've given the springs a quick wash down. I'll just let them dry out and then we'll hit it with some paint. So I got them all hanging ready to go and I got this stuff. Yeah, look at this. It's called rust converter. So it's like meant to be a base coat sort of thing and it's supposed to kind of convert or kill the rust and provide like a base layer paint over. So I'm going to give it a go and see how it goes. So it's now dry to the touch, and it's gone this kind of black kind of look. Looks good, looks like it's going to work. Well, thanks for watching along. Remember, a like and a subscribe goes a long way to help, and share it if you want. Yeah, you can join me next week and I'll be dealing with some more Rust with that Rust converter stuff. Yeah, thanks.